So cane toads arrived at Dungu in 2019 and Bandilgan in 2021.
Freshwater crocodiles, some populations have exhibited 70% plus declines since cane toads have arrived in the area.
To teach the crocodiles not to eat cane toads, what we do is we chop the cane toad in half and we just keep the back legs because the back legs have got a lot less poison than the top half of the toad. We then put a high dose of salt into the back legs and then we hang that on an apparatus that dangles over the water. So then the croc will come out at night time and it will eat the back legs. It will start to feel nauseous from the salt content, but it won't die. And then they learn from that experience. So because they've tasted the cane toad and it's made them feel sick, they then don't go and eat a live cane toad and die.
The taste aversion program with crocodiles has had very exciting and quite astonishing results. What we found was that crocodiles stopped eating cane toad baits very quickly, but they continued to eat the control unlaced chicken baits, which showed us that they were developing a taste aversion to cane toads. Then we waited for the cane toad invasion to arrive in those areas, and what we saw is that the areas that we had done the taste aversion baiting, there were no crocodile mortalities. We had prevented the mass mortality events that we were expecting in those gorge systems. But in the control areas, we saw what we were expecting. We saw large numbers of crocodile deaths that continued unabated. And really excitingly was that in an area where cane toads had already invaded, and we were seeing mass mortality events that we actually were not going to bait because we thought that we'd missed the boat, we did decide to bait those areas, and we actually stopped the mass mortality events in that gorge system, which was really exciting.
Being part of that and learning as we were working, it was really good. Very significant cultural for us, and like I said, like they hold the balance in our ecosystem in the water,